Greetings, my dear friends. I extend my gratitude for your presence on my channel. Today, I've prepared a caramelized banana upside down cake for New Year. This dessert is pure decadence. When served warm and crowned with vanilla ice cream or freshly whipped cream, it transforms into a delightful and straightforward dessert that's simply irresistible. If you haven't ventured into making an upside-down cake before, rest assured, it's surprisingly easy. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Take 3 ripe bananas. Use a fork to mash bananas on a plate. Sift in powder sugar onto the smashed banana and beat until just combined. Add 2 eggs and using a whisk, gently mix to combine. Do not overmix. Whisk in the flour. Add baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon powder and gently mix it. Add in banana mixture and fold to combine well. Add in vanilla extract, dark chocolate chunks, and vegetable oil and fold to combine well and keep aside. Slice 2 ripe bananas lengthwise. Arrange the banana slices in a prepared cake mold and evenly sprinkle black raisins around them. Set aside for further use. In a saucepan over medium heat, mix sugar and 100 milliliters of water. Bring it to a boil. Continue cooking until it thickens and takes on a golden brown color. Once melted and the right color, stop stirring and remove the caramel from the heat and pour over the well-laid sliced bananas. Pour the batter over the caramelized banana slices and gently smooth the top. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes, making sure to rotate the cake at the halfway point until a cake tester shows a few moist crumbs. Use a paring knife to gently loosen the cake from the pan's edges. Allow it to rest for 5 minutes. Then carefully invert the cake onto a serving platter. If any bits of caramel or banana stick to the pan's bottom, scrape them off and place them back onto the cake. Now you can slice the cake into the shape of your choice and enjoy with vanilla ice cream or whipped cream. As we bid farewell to the old and embrace the dawn of a new year, my heart swells with gratitude for the moments we've shared and the journey that lies ahead. May the coming year be filled with joy, love, and fulfillment and abundant happiness. Thank you, friends, for tuning in. I'm confident you'll absolutely adore this cake, and I encourage you to give it a try. It's truly worth the effort. If you do attempt the recipe, please share your experience with me. Feel free to drop any questions or let me know which cookie or dessert recipes you'd like to see in the comments below. Enjoy baking!